Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, we were in today's video. I am going to show you the amazing and latest collections of Burmese dresses and the transition dresses of Myanmar, which look stunning and amazing. I hope you will also like this video as well. So rewards, as you can see, both beautiful and amazing dresses. Burmese dresses latest design with beautiful and amazing designing of the Burmese and neck designs, sleeve designs and the printed shirt and a lot of beautiful color dresses of Myanmar which look stunning and amazing, and I hope you will also like this videos as well. So viewers, you can see both beautiful and amazing studio designs. Burmese dress latest designs with beautiful and amazing designing of the Burmese and neck designs, sleeve designs and the printed shirts and a lot of beautiful color combination are also added in this video. Combination and color are amazing difference. Color combinations, printed shirts, designs, sleeve designs. So they can also enjoy this amazing and gorgeous ideas. Also don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel. And also press the bell icon button. If you press the bell icon button, then you will get all the notifications on which type of video you want to see. Next time you can easily tell us if any design shoes, designs, bags, anything which is related to fashion, you can easily tell us in the comment sections, and we will make the videos on your request. And viewers, as you can see this beautiful and amazing collection of the Myanmar and dresses, transition dresses, and you can easily wear this and carry this beautiful dresses on any special day of the year and an important day of the year. So viewers, thank you for watching. We will and also comment us, tell us that which type of videos you can see. We will make the videos into request. Please subscribe my channel.